Hello everyone, how are you doing? I just wanted to say hi and share with you my first shopping trip ever since COVID-19. I have not been shopping anywhere for clothing or fabrics or anything like that. I wasn't planning on doing any shopping, but I just broke down. It's just been forever since I've shopped at all, and I just couldn't help it. So I'll share with you what I got. So the first one up is this yarn that my mom wants to use to make some new coasters for us for the house. And then we saw some really cute fabric that is 100% cotton, and it's very sheer and very thin. I believe it's going to be very nice to create something for the summer heat. It gets over 100 degrees around where I live, and as you can see, it's very sheer. I imagine maybe making some PJs or maybe even a nice top. I'm hoping to make a set, some shorts and camis with this. I might explore zero waste design on this fabric just so I don't waste any of it. It's quite expensive. Never bought so expensive fabric. It's Liberty fabric, and Liberty Theo and Liberty Poppy and Daisies. It's very cute. So I really, when I saw this fabric, I thought it was really cute. It's got all these little cute animals, crabs, mice, birds. It's just very happy. It makes me happy, and I wanted to get them, like little frogs. It's really cute. I really like it. So, and then this one's going to be for my mom. We bought a yard of each, and I'm going to see what I can do for both of us. I'm going to make something for her in this fabric, and then this for me. So, and then the next up is I know it's July, but this was on sale, and it's not cheap. It's like, I guess everything now price has gone up, but this had an extra 25% off, so it's like about $14. So for July 2023 to December, and then all the whole year of 2024. The reason I bought this is I wanted to see if this can help me become more consistent in uploading videos and planning what I'm going to make for you guys online. I saw this, it was very beautiful. I love the color, I love the message. It says no beauty shines brighter than that of a good heart. This is very cute. I like the colors and the flower patterns very much. So I haven't even looked through the inside of it. I'm usually not a very organized person. I have notebooks everywhere. I jot down notes on tissue papers and whatever paper I would have, and then it would be all over the place. I also have organizing like documents online, but I just don't access them as much as I should to keep track of what I'm doing. So hopefully this beautiful book will help me keep me motivated to actually use it. I hope it doesn't go to waste. I bought it especially because it's so beautiful and I like it a lot. So hopefully because I like it more, then I can use it more often. So it's got like the whole 2 years in one page. And then it's got breakdowns of each day and month. That's good. So you get an index of kind of what you want to do and your priorities. I guess the first page is your priorities and how important it is. And then it breaks down to your month view. And then by day or week. So it breaks down to week view, months, and then by week. And the task you need to complete for the week. I really like this message. There is beauty in simplicity. So it's got a little slogan every month. As a newbie to planning, I am super excited to start using this planner. I'll be diving into this planner to see if I can figure out how to use the layouts to best suit my situation and upload great videos for you guys to enjoy. So hit the subscribe button if you want to be notified of my processes and approaches to creating great clothing you love. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.